Welcome to the new episode of 4C Restoration. In previous series I have shown you new rear frame, and from that time I was able to find new front frame. New front frame is also coming from European version, and it's lighter for around 10 kilograms than US version. Old frame is completely destroyed, and it makes no sense to even to try to repair it, because as you can see from pictures, it's only garbage, so nothing to save from it. And interesting thing about old frame is that these plates here, which connecting to carbon, is made from steel, and those steel were completely destroyed, but carbon is still alive and still in good shape. So here they did a great job. Carbon survived, but steel is not. So I have painted a new frame in the same color as rear one. It's also a powder paint, and it also has gloss finish. So I think it looks much better than matte as it was before. Currently I'm waiting for new radiators, because all radiators also damaged and I don't want to use them. And here also should stand some air guider or something like this, some plastic air guider. I'm also waiting for it. So after this, old front of the car will be completed. Next important thing is side rocker. As from factory it was glued to body, and I was not sure how to remove it. So with help of OEM documents I was able to remove it and check if carbon is in good shape in that place or not. So as you can see, everything is normal. Carbon has only scratches, and that's all. Side rocker by itself made of fiberglass, and here you can see old glue with help of which it was glued to the body. As you can see, it is completely destroyed, and it makes no sense to even try to repair it. So I decided to buy the new one, original from factory. Obviously there is no replacements, only original, only from Italy. One of the new parts is pipe for engine coolant that was inside of side rocker that was damaged. As you can see here, this old tube, old pipe is damaged, and it became a little bit smaller than original one. Some of you can say that, okay, if it not leaks, then you can use it, it's not a problem, but I don't like such parts. I love new ones. In case of new part, I will be 100% sure that I will not have any troubles with it, and I will not replace it in future. So here you can see new original pipe from factory. So let's go and check other parts that arrived. I always love this time when you need to unpack new parts. It's always very interesting how all parts is looking like from factory. So what we have here, we have new rear arms that standing in the back of the car. Currently we have restored one just to be able to move the car. New brake lines, new ABS sensor, new pipe. It coming from turbo to intercooler. Mine was damaged. Some brake shield, new rear axle, frame for rear bumper, frame for side rocker, oil filters, and a lot of other small stuff that we will need to install. Now engine is installed inside new frame and almost ready to be fired up. All wiring is connected, and only those new parts that I shown you need to be replaced. But some time passed since filming of videos that you see now. Because fucking Russians are bombing our country, there was no electricity, and I was unable to film some parts of assembly process. As we are here underneath the car, I want to show you one interesting thing. Alfa Romeo put these bolts here. I believe they were trying to put two parts of carbon together. And these bolts saved carbon fiber body because they were scratching over the asphalt, and because of this, carbon fiber body has only scratches, and there is no critical damage in this place, only some small scratches, and that's all. And as you can see, these bolts almost worn out, and I will replace them with new ones. Currently car is almost done, and I will give you details in the next episode. Thank you for watching, see you!